Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Popessa. Today I'm going to show you how I make oven baked crispy chicken wings. Let me show you the ingredients. You'll be needing baking powder, salt and pepper. These are the chicken wings you'll be using. I've already washed, cut them and pat-dried them. I'm just going to pour the baking powder, the salt and the pepper in the chicken, and then we just mix everything together. Just mix it thoroughly and make sure everything is coated, all the chicken wings properly coated. Okie dokie, that looks good. Okay, my chicken has been properly coated with the baking powder, the salt and pepper. So I'm just going to transfer all on this rack. My rack has already been oiled so the chicken doesn't stick when it's cooking. So make sure you arrange them evenly and give space for the air to go through and dry the chicken properly. Make sure you don't crowd the rack. Okay, all set now. I'm going to put this in the oven, marked 300 degrees for 30 minutes for it to just cook, and then after that I'll flip it over and then cook for another 20 minutes. Okay, the chicken wings are ready now, so I'm just going to transfer them into a bowl and then I'll make the pepper sauce. Okie dokie, I'm just going to get a pan, light it up, and then ready to make the pepper sauce now. So for the pepper sauce, you can use any pepper sauce of your choice. So I'm just going to get about 1 cup of pepper sauce or less. It depends on how you like the heat. It's really going to be hot. Set. Then I'm going to add some butter to it and just allow it to boil a little bit and mix. So everything, I'll pour everything in the chicken and just mix it and get that smooth buttery taste. I'm just going to add a few drops of honey, to sweeten it up a bit, contrast the peppery taste. and then everything goes in here. Toss it if you can. I prefer to do it this way. Wow, this looks perfect. Wow. We're going to be using blue cheese dip for this recipe, so you will need equal amounts of sour cream and mayonnaise. So everything goes inside the bowl. Add the mayo, equal amounts as well. Some blue cheese. I really don't like it that strong, so I don't use that. Add a little bit of grated garlic. You can use dry one if you don't have fresh garlic at home. Just tiny bit to give it a bit of garlic flavor. Okay. Mix. Just to taste. See if it's strong enough. I'm going to add some juice of lemon. You can use lime juice as well if you don't have lemon at home. And then just to give it that kick. Perfect. So nice. Okay. I'm just going to have a taste and I'll let you know. It's so nice, guys. I need to try this recipe out because this is another level. Also, if you have any recipe you want me to try, don't forget to send it to me. Subscribe and be nice to one another.